Hello and welcome to MoneyWatch channel. This is Kundu, and in this video I am going to teach you how you can make money with affiliate marketing on Facebook. If you are wondering that you need to have a you need to run ads on Facebook, don't worry. In this video I will be teaching you how you can earn money from Facebook for free, but you need to have a Facebook account to do that. So in order to make money, what you will do, we will be promoting some other people product which is known as affiliate marketing, and we will be uh, using a platform called Clickbank. Okay, so let's log into clickbank.com. Let's let it load. So this is Clickbank. What you will do here is you will make an account on clickbank.com, and what just go to sign up link here and make an account. Okay, it's completely free. Select your country, first name, last name, phone number, email address, password, and you can make an account. Okay, so what we will do here is we will pick a product which is, I will log into my Facebook Clickbank account first, then I will show you which product to pick and how to promote it. So you will go to a page called marketplace here on the at the top of the website, and here we will be promoting uh, in the category wealth. As I told you earlier in the previous video also, that you need to pick any one of these: health, wealth, and relationship. So we will be focusing on wealth. Click on e-business and e-marketing, and you can see here uh, it has we will sort it by gravity, and you can see there are lots and lots of products. So we will pick a product which has more than 30 40 gravity. It has 115 gravity, as you can see here, this product, and we will promote this. Just click on promote button. Okay, then choose your tracking. Your account nickname will be here, and choose your tracking ID. I will be uh, Facebook. Okay, FB, I have generate hop links, and just copy your hop links. As you can see here, this is your hop link, which is very long. We will short it, make it short by going to a website called Bitly. Okay, just go to bitly.com, make a free account. It's free, and we will create our link. Just paste the long URL over here and hit create. Once created, your link will look something like this. Just copy the link, and what we will do here is we will go to Facebook groups. So in order to make this work, you need to have a Facebook group. Okay, you need to join many Facebook groups. Just search groups like make money online. Okay, search. I have joined many of these groups, so just join all these groups. As you can see here, join. This one is also here, join it, and answer some of the answers, and click on submit. Okay, this one is another one. Do you want one? Yes, I agree to the group rules and hit on submit. Once you get approval, make join at least 10 to 20 groups a day, minimum 10 groups a day. And what you will do here is, once you get approval, you will simply go to your groups. uh, Wait, go to your groups. For example, this is one group. Go here, type in, sorry, uh, wait, let me find a group. Yeah, this one. Just go here and type in something like this: who wants to make $100 per day, click here. And what you will do here is you will not insert your affiliate link which you just got from bitly, okay? Because Facebook will block your link. So what we will do here is we will simply go to a website like this one, which is called Google Docs. We will go to this website Google Docs. Just go here, and what we will do here is uh, if you are working on your mobile phone, then you can download this app Google Docs. Okay, you can download it from here or go to App Store. From there you can download. I have already downloaded the app, so what I will do, I will go to the app, this one, Docs. And what you will do here is create a new document, okay, simply by clicking on pencil sign. And once it is created, it will look like this, okay, blank document. And what you will do here is click here to earn money $100 per day. And what we will do here is we will highlight the text, okay, then click this triple dots here and insert link, and we will paste the link which we got from Britly. Okay, remember that link which we shortened, and make it center, make it bold. Just highlight this first like this. You can work from your computer also if you want, but I'm working from my phone. Just highlight it, make it bold, and change this color to red. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here, if you want this text to be red, then do one thing, just highlight this text and click on here and click on red. Done. See how it looks. So if just make it center of the page here. So what we will do here, click on right button like this, and if somebody clicks on this link, it will simply go to that affiliate page where which the product which we wanted to promote. And what we will do here, simply click on this triple dot or right top right corner here, click on here, and what we will share and export, okay, and click on link sharing, enable the link sharing link. Share and export, link sharing should be on, okay, just make it on like this. Now you can see it is on, okay. Now copy link, and we will go to our Facebook post here. Wants to make $100, click here, click here, okay. Like this you can make a post similar to this. Don't copy my post, make your own post, and you will simply just copy this because you want to paste it in as many groups as possible. Just copy this, hit on post, and it will be posted. Now go to other groups similar to this, make money online, write something, paste, and hit on post. So this is how you do it. Make sure in 1 hour only post 20 posts, not more than 20, otherwise Facebook will block you, okay. So go to discussion, and I'm just showing you some examples. Just paste your text here and click on post. See how easy it is. So this is how you do it. If you have any questions related to this method, then kindly click comment on the comment section, and I will be happy to help you. And if you are new to this channel, I will highly recommend you to subscribe to this channel, so that you will know about any future videos which I release about making money online. Okay, so if you like this video, then hit the like button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. And that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.